Welcome, dear student. Hope you will be fine and good. Today we have a lecture which I would like to teach you. This is a grammar lecture. Some people use it in a very bad way, and they're using it, in a daily basis, but they are not using in an accurate way. That's why I have chosen the lecture. The lecture name is May. Okay. S- what about may? May is a modal verb which we use, I would like to teach you in the present today. It's used for the prayer, formal permission. Okay. The one is formal and the second one is informal permission. And what about the future possibility? When the future possibility is 50%, then we use the may. Okay? It's used for the prayer, it's used for the formal permission, it's used for the future possibility when the future possibility is 50%. In Urdu language, whenever we say shayad, जब हम शायद की बात करते हैं तब हम may का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Go to the next slide. So first of all, prayer. If you want to pray for someone in English, then how can you do it? You can do like that. May Allah complete your dreams. Allah आपके dreams पूरे कर दे. Okay. May Allah bless you. May Allah demolish them. May Allah recover him soon. May Allah succeed you. May Allah rewards you. May Allah recover you. So this is what? This is prayer. Go to the next slide. Formal permission. What about the formal permission? The formal permission is like that. May I come in, sir? Most of the students, they do mistake in this. They're saying like, my comment. This is not my comment. This is may I come in? May I come in, sir? And may I know your name, please? May I call you? May I use your cell phone? May I come in? May I operate your computer? May I know about you? So this is called the formal permission. Okay, now the future possibility. When the future possibility is 50%, that you will be talking in the present, but it will show the future possibility. When the future possibility is 50%, then you will use the may. यानी जब आप शायद की बात करते हैं तब आप may का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Most of the students they speak like that. Maybe they are coming. It is grammatically inaccurate. You should not say like that. Okay. So how can you say the formula of it is subject plus may, then verb first form. After that extra sentence, like he may invest money in food business. वो शायद food business में पैसा invest करेगा. शायद की बात हो रही है, I'm telling you. She may not work. वो शायद काम नहीं करती. Ali may accommodate in London. Ali शायद लंदन में रहता है. He may not do a job. वो शायद जॉब नहीं करता. She may start transport business. वो शायद transport business start करें. Ali may not study at home. Ali शायद घर पर नहीं पढ़ता. But this is what, this is the future possibility. And these are the action sentences which we, change our action. In any, every sentence we have changed the action. Now go to the next slide, please. So maybe, most of the students, they are very confused in this use. They are using in inaccurate way. They always say like that, maybe he is a doctor. No, you should not say like this, okay? It is grammatically inaccurate. Instead of it, you have to use like that, subject plus maybe, then extra sentence. This is for the non-action because I know the be is for first form of verb, but here I use it to the non-action and this is structure used for the position, condition and introduction. Okay? Like he may be out of the country. वो शायद out of the country है. She may not be sad. वो शायद sad नहीं है. They may be students. वो शायद students हैं. So it shows the maybe shows the it's used for the position, condition, and introduction. Like they may be in the ground, they may not be in the ground. And one more thing that the like might not mightn't. The negative contraction of might not is mightn't. May not, it does not have any sort of contraction. So may not का कोई भी contraction नहीं होता. Go to the next slide. Now may have. May have is used for what? Possession, yani milkiyat, characteristic, relationship, and illness. It's used for 4 things. Like he may have a car. उसके पास शायद गाड़ी है. Okay? So, may have. This is what? Possession. She may have red nose. उसका शायद red nose है. और असद में have a brother. This is what relationship. उसका असद का शायद भाई है. She may have fever. उसको शायद बुखार है. That's all about the may, maybe, and may have. Go to the next slide. We have the vocabulary session. You know, most of the people, they use the advanced words in, their sentences. That's why we do not understand. So we have the advanced words, what's the meaning? The number one is technophile. What is the meaning of technophile? Technophile means technology's lover. Like Mr. Mr. Kashif is a technophile. I am not a technophile because I hate technology. Sinophile means dogs lover. You know, I know one of my friend, he was a sinophile. Astrophile means stars lover. You know, some people, they are astrophile. They like the stars. Zoophile means animals lover. I'm zoophile. I like the animals. Bibliophile means book lover. I'm bibliophile. I like books. So the file means love. Okay. Next is, phobia related word. Phobia means fear. Glossophobia means fear of public speaking. Students, they have the glossophobia. They cannot speak in front of the people. So that's what they have the glossophobia. And hydrophobia means, fear of water. Alhamdulillah, I do not have a hydrophobia. Gynophobia means fear of women. Most of the people, they have the gynophobia. They cannot talk in front of women. Monophobia means fear of being alone. Some people, they are very steady because they have the monophobia. That's all about the lecture. If you want to learn English language as well as IELTS, you can join our channel and subscribe it.